Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see your data is lost, delete, format, or by mistakenly someone or erase your data. So don't worry. MiniTool Power Data Recovery 12.8. How to use, how to download. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Let's start. So just simply open here Google and type here MiniTool Power Data Recovery Free 12.8. and click this link. Even I already added this link in video description as well. MiniTool Power Data Recovery, restore deleted files from recycle bin, desktop and specific folders, recover permanent deleted file from your hard drive, pen drive, USB drive as well, recover deleted pictures, audio, video, documents and much more for free. Retrieve files when drive are formatted, inaccessible, virus infected, etc. Previous file contain image and audio and video before recovering as well. Recover up to 1 GB file absolutely free. After that you need to pay little amount for the subscription if you want recover data more than 1 GB. So here the basic prices are available and this is supportable for Windows 8, 9, 10, 11. Just simply download this file.
Downloading is done. Just look at here the download section, click over the download.exe. It is a pop-up message is coming, click on a yes button. Now it is time to install data recovery application. Just click on a install now button. Yes, continue. Once you installation successfully, these types of the message coming in front of you. Now it is time to start this application. Click on the start now button. These types of the environment coming in front of you, it is showing you the logical drive and another one is a device. So by default this is a device. In between having this is my laptop hard drive, it is a SSD and this is logical drive. But right now I show you the demo how to use this application for a data recovery. So I have the one pen drive, just inserting. Now go to device section and look at here this scan disk curve. Okay, now I show you what data information is available in that pen drive. So now we are recover here this pen drive informations. So I show you the live demonstration here. This is pen drive details and now just minimize this window so we can focus only this device. So step by step you can just follow me here. So now it is time to coming here. We are just recover scan disk pen drive data. Just click scan button. Scan process is start here. It is finding the files. Now I show you the another things. Once you get it file, for example you lost 4 files, 5 files, 8 files, so it is showing in between. Okay, so these types of the file is recovered. It is size is also showing here. So what do you do now? I just pause here and just recover this information. Another things we will check the, because the entire 100% it is required much time. So demonstration I show you the sample data. Now I click here the save button and create one folder, specific location, click on a desktop. This is data recovery folder, click over OK, and now this all recover file are saved on that folder. 68 MB data is recover. Just click view record and just click on that file, just double click and show all details, all files are recovered from that pen drive. So this way you can use the MiniTools Power Data Recovery version 12.8 application. It is very fluent and easiest way you can use that for the data recovery.
So this is the simple and easiest process to recover deleted data using MiniTool Power Data Recovery software. If you have any question related on this software, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.